Danielle, welcome back to my channel, Homemade Vintage. I have another thrift haul to share with you today. However, this one is in collaboration with Robin Johnson here on YouTube. She is wonderful. I love her channel so much. I'm sure you're all familiar with her. If not, I will link her stuff down below. She has her Robin Johnson channel, which is like thrift hauls, thrift with me's, a lot of vintage, home decor, and then she has a DIY channel as well, so be sure to check her out. And if you're coming over from her channel, hello, I'm glad you're here. I hope you decide to stay. I do post a lot of stuff like this all the time, vintage farmhouse thrift hauls and decor, so I hope you guys decide to stick around. Let's go ahead and get on with the haul. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this beautiful wooden frame. I got this at an estate sale for $2, and I loved this kind of like wavy detail it has right here. And this color wood is just really my thing. It's all over my house, so I could not pass this up, and $2 is a really good price for such a beautiful frame. I'm on the hunt for a really pretty print to put inside of it for fall, and then I'm excited to switch them out for the seasons. I already know exactly where this is gonna go, so if you know any prints or if you have any suggestions on what would look good in here for fall, let me know. I was thinking maybe Currier and Ives, but I prefer their winter scenes more, so I don't know, I'll find something. And then I came across this adorable enamel teapot. It is black and white, which is something that I wouldn't normally go for, but I don't care. I'm gonna find a way to style it for fall. I think it's so pretty, and I've actually picked up another enamel piece since then that I'll show in a later haul, so my collection is already growing. But it was only $4, and it is stamped Japan on the bottom, so that just makes it all the better. And I love the shape of it and the spout. I just think it's really cute. Then I grabbed another Pyrex dish here for my collection at home. This one was $3.99. I'm not sure if I paid that or if it was on sale, but I normally cannot find them with the lid, so that is the main reason I grabbed it. I do not know the name of this pattern. It looks similar to the one that is American something. I'm not sure. I don't know a lot about Pyrex, but I think it's cute. I love the little teapot and the little like stem of greenery. So I was excited to find one in good condition like that with no paint wear. I have a lot of like glass and dishware in this. I grabbed this glass piece here. It was 75% off, or otherwise I probably would have left it behind, just because I find it really hard to style glass with all the whites and woods that I do. But it was only $1, and I love the like kind of diamond pattern it has, and the handle has some pretty detail as well. So I got it anyways. That's what happens when you have a shopping problem. Look at these beautiful little hobnail. I think these are salt and pepper shakers. They're really big and very heavy. So if they're not, let me know. But they were half off, so I paid $2.50 for the pair. The lids do have some wear and like chips out of the silver on there, but that's okay. If I can get them cleaned up, I will probably use them here, and if not, I might list them and see if they do well. If not, they were only $2.50, and they're really pretty for decor. Then I found this plate stack. This was only $4 for all four, so $1 a piece, and it is they are by Syracuse, China. I don't know much about that brand, but I thought they were cool. I've been looking for plate stacks and little bowl stacks for my kitchen shelves, and I thought these were really beautiful. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see the details on the edge of the plate, but I think they are really lovely, and for $1 a piece, you can't beat that, you know? And then I'm so excited about this one. It is a cute vase. I'm not sure if this is ironstone. It's not marked on the bottom, but it was only $4, so either way, I really like it a lot. I love the handle. I don't know how to tell if something's ironstone. Does it have to say ironstone on the bottom, or anything that looks like that ironstone? I have been hunting for ironstone pictures for a while, and I never have any luck on finding them. So when I saw this one that looked similar, I absolutely grabbed it up right away. But I just really liked the shape of it and how short it was, so I'm really excited to style this for fall. These next two pieces I actually got at a booth at a flea market. I saw this sitting on the shelf and grabbed it right away. However, I don't think it's vintage. It says At Home International, made in China on the bottom. If you know if that's vintage or not, let me know. It's super clean and in good condition, so it just doesn't seem like it is, but either way, I only paid $3 for something that looks like jadeite, and that's fine with me. I think it's really cute, and it's gonna look really nice in my kitchen. I have a lot of this green in there already. And then from that same booth, I just grabbed a doily. She charged me $1 for this, and I just can't pass up doilies if they're for a good price, you know? These are good to tuck in things all over the house. And then I saw this adorable little cutie guy. I actually saw someone haul this recently in a video, and I remember commenting about how cute it was, and then I found one a few days later. It was $2. It's actually an Avon cologne called Silver Fawn, and I just think it's so cute. It looks like a little figurine, so I'm going to put him out for Christmas time. His face is so cute. I love his little ears. I found a bag of 8 of these short little candlesticks for just $1 for all 8 of them. And I knew if I waited long enough that I would find some. I was trying to put off buying them online, but I love these little short ones to put inside little tiny candle, those little tiny candle holders that I love that you like stick your finger through, just instead of having like the really tall ones everywhere. So I found a whole bag of them. So these will probably be all over my house soon. So if you've been watching my hauls recently, you'll know that I've accumulated a small collection of old medicine bottles, and I found another one. This one was $2, so not a bad price. It says Raleigh's trademark, bottle made in USA, so maybe it was holding some medicine. If you know anything about it, let me know, because I love learning about what was in them and what year they're from. I'm not sure if this is the original cork, probably not. I love having these scattered around the house for decor. I think it would be fun to find some really pretty amber ones for fall, but they're always way too expensive, and your girl is way too cheap for that. This is actually a Facebook Marketplace find. It is just a little oil lamp. I need to try to bend the place you put your finger right here back into shape. It's a little squished, but it just moves like this, and I thought it was really lovely. I did pay $6 for it, and it's my fault for not reading the description, but I thought it was a lot bigger, and then when I got there, I saw that it was a mini oil lamp. But that's fine. These are perfect for decor and just sticking on like a stack of books or something. It does have a small crack in the globe, which I did not notice, but still $6 I feel like is a good price. And I love this. I don't know if this is brass or what, but I love the bottom here. I wanted to share this because I think it's so pretty. I went to an antique mall to search for some like ephemera for junk journal supply or junk journaling. And then I saw this one, and I knew there was no way I could cut this up for junk journaling. It's a little map from, I guess, like a park or something. I'm not sure where it's from. It says Forest Lawn, Hollywood Hills Memorial Park. Okay, it was $1.50, but the colors and the illustrations are so pretty. Like, look at the vibrant teal color on the map. I think that's so beautiful. And then this is the other side. Pictures and info. It's very like spring and summer to me, so I'll probably wait to put it out until then, but I just thought that was really cool, so I wanted to share that. And then I found these beautiful square pillow covers that I'm going to use in my bedroom. They have that kind of like cottage feel that I want to bring in there, and they have this nice like doily pattern around the edges, and then some embroidery with beautiful roses. I'm hoping that it's picking up on camera. And then this one's pretty much the same, however it is a heart. I just thought they were really beautiful and like romantic, and they were only $1, so I thought that was a really good find. These last 2 pieces are a little bigger, so this one might be a little hard to see, but it is a iron bunny, and I love this green color. It has like some rusting. My mom says you're supposed to put like a plant in here and then the plant will crawl up the bunny, so I thought that was really cool. However, I'll probably just wait and put it out around spring and Easter because I don't have a porch to decorate here. But it was $2.99, and I just thought it was a great piece. I'm kind of still obsessing over this green color, and yeah, like I said, there's just a lot of like rusting, and I just love that weathered look. And this next piece, I paid $5.99 for this at Goodwill. It is a vintage jewelry box, and while it's beautiful on its own, I actually have plans to remove these doors because inside they have these beautiful wooden drawers, and I love the detail on the pull right here. They almost look like sewing machine drawers, but the insides are just lined with that like red velvet, you know, like most jewelry boxes. But yeah, I think it looks so beautiful like this. I almost wanted to paint it and distress it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it alone, leave it this wood color, maybe sand it down a bit to get some of this finish off. I definitely had like a finder's high after finding this. Yeah, I just think it's really great. Alright, so that's everything that I have to share with you for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know down below what your favorite item was, and if you have any info on any of these pieces, let me know that as well. Once again, thank you to Robin for doing this collab with me. Be sure to check out her stuff down below and go watch her video after this, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!